coming up to Beville Road. He might be trying to go to that Bosman place on Beville. This is the spot. This is where we're doing.
I got you. We're good. I'm ready when you guys are. Police department! Let me see your hands, he's on there! Let me see your fucking hands! Your fucking hands, let me see your hands! Let me your fucking hands! Get over it! Let me see your fucking hands! He's reaching! He's reaching! Let me see your fucking hands! Show me your fucking left hand! Show me your hands! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Give me your fucking hand! I got you. Give me your fucking hand! Hey, I think he has a gun in his right hand. Let me see your hand! Let me see your fucking hand! You will be shot! Hey! Show me your... Hey, back up! Back up! Let me see your fucking hand! You're gonna get shot! You're going to get fucking shot! Show me your goddamn hands! Show me your hands! Let me see your right hand! You're gonna get shot! Show me... Show your hands! Right hand! Right hand! Right hand! Gun! 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 Back up! Back up! Back up! Watch right. He's down! He's down! Show me your fucking hands! Do it now! Yep. Hands are clear! Hands are clear! Take advantage! Get him out!